Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of using efficient cable management system for improved airflow in IT data centers. Now, let us check how we can implement efficient cable management in data centers. To implement efficient cable management in IT data centers, follow these best practices. Use cable trays and racks to organize and support cables. So let's say in the data center you have a lot of servers or systems and you have a lot of cables going in. It could be a LAN cable, or it could be power cable, or it could be any other cable. So if you don't organize these cables correctly in the IT data centers, then it can create a lot of problems. It can create confusion, and if you unplug one cable instead of another cable, it can create a lot of problems. So it is really important to track all these cables and place all these cables in the correct manner. So the first thing is use cable trays and racks to organize and support cables. So it is really important to use cable trays and racks to organize the cables. Okay, the second one is label cables to easily identify and trace them. So if you want to find out which cable is for which server or machine, so it is very important to label them. Maybe you can use some sticker or something to identify which cable is for which server. So let's say you have web server, FTP server, or exchange server, and you have a lot of cables going in and out. So it is really important to label them. You can use a sticker or something on a cable saying that okay, this cable is for exchange server, this cable is for web server, this cable is for some other server, whatever it is. So you can label it according to your business, according to the servers. Organize cables by length to minimize clutter and improve airflow. So let's say, if you are a lot of cables are connected to these machines. So at any point in time, if you feel like you don't have to use a very long cable, you may have to use a simple, a cable of a simple length, which can be more than important for your IT environment. In that case, you can use a very small cable or a short cable instead of using a very long cable, which can create problems if you have long cables running here and there. And the third one is use cable ties and clips to secure and bundle cable. So at any point in time, if you want to use these cables in more organized manner, what you can do is you can tie these cables, or you can also use clips to secure and bundle these cables. So regularly audit and update cable management systems to ensure continued efficiency. So it is also very important to audit all these cables and update cable management if some cables are faulty or if some cables are not working properly according to your business requirement. It is also important to update them once in a while for continued efficiency. So this is also a very important topic in sustainable IT. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.